Let's see how to place an image inside of a shape in Canva. First, let's open up our design. For this example, I'm going to use portrait. Next, we go to the Elements tab here on the left-hand side and search for frames. So for this example, I want a picture in a square frame, circle frame, and lastly, a diamond. Let's just adjust the sizes here. I'm okay with that. Now, all we need to do is drag any photo we want inside of the frame. It can be a photo you uploaded, or in this case, I'm just going to use Canva's stock photos. So let's see here in the Photos tab. I'll drag this photo of a beautiful landscape here in the square frame. Next, this picture of fields here in the diamond frame. And lastly, let's put this picture of coworkers in the circle frame. And that's it. That's how you place an image inside of a shape in Canva. See you soon.